What's up everyone? I'm Tonsky and today I will teach you how to remove the pillion seat of the Honda Rebel 500. Pero Ton, why would I want to remove the pillion seat? Well, you might want to remove it para mas cool yung itsura ng bike. Or maybe you can customize mo yung bike. Gusto mo tanggalin yung pillion seat. Or baka iniwan ka na nung angkas mo.
Pero di ko kaya bumitaw at bigay masasaktan dahil pangako ko'y walang iwanan.
What? Removing the pillion seat is easy and straightforward. You only need a 6mm Allen wrench. There's only one bolt we need to remove. Once you unscrew the bolt, there will be a spacer that will fall, so keep that in mind because you wouldn't want to lose that spacer. As you can see, you can't remove the seat just yet. You have to first push it forward and then pull it up because of this slot type design. What I did with my bike is I took a 12mm wrench to unscrew the bolt and switch it with the Allen bolt from earlier. I did that because I think it made the design flow better. It made it look smoother in my opinion, but that's all just personal preference. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial and learned something, or not, but I hope you at least enjoyed it. So that's it from me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. If you guys enjoyed that video, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that very much. If there's anything you guys would like me to do, places to go, content ideas, or any opinions, please do leave a comment down below. Right? Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate you.